Hi, I'm Lou Mancuso, the landing doctor. People have been asking me, how does your light sport aircraft compare to the other best-selling light sport aircraft? So the Bristell is a good selling plane, the JBM is a good selling plane, the Sling, the Sparker, the Ryzen, all very good planes. Our plane does 202 miles an hour. The competition is a bit faster. But what do we offer that the competition doesn't? The biggest thing is we have $100,000 worth of parts in Sebring, Florida, and we support our brand probably better than any other manufacturer. But how about plane specific? What do we have? So behind me you see a wing locker. This wing locker on it you can see holds 44 pounds, and then we have a custom bag. If it fits in the bag, it fits in the wing, and 44 pounds right on the center of gravity. So let's move around to the engine and we'll show you what's different about our engine installation and why our engine runs cooler than the competition. So the first thing that makes it cooler, it has the 4-blade Duke prop, and that's cooler in vernacular of why it's very neat. But it's pretty cool, makes the plane go fast. But actual cooler, what do we have? So we have a scoop here that has an intercooler that none of the other manufacturers have. Our engine runs cooler than the other planes, and therefore I believe it will successfully reach the 2,000 hour TBO. So then we come around to this side. And of course, we have another wing locker, wing bed, whatever, our landing doctor training program, which we're very proud of. But here's the biggest thing. Our luggage area, and maybe come back around to the front and get a shot coming in. So I'm getting ready to fly back home to the villages. My heavy items are in the wings, 44 pounds each. My flight bag will be up front with me. And in the back we have our light items lightly packed, 33 pounds on the luggage area 1 and 7 pounds on the hat shelf for my very light articles. So the back here fits 2 airline style carry-on bags plus other luggage. So we have a massive luggage area for light items, heavy items go in the wing, and that's what really sets us apart from our competition. So that's Lou Mancuso, the landing doctor. Fly with limitations and stay safe.